here from Open Journey. I'd like to show you how I'm gonna set up my journal for Lent. Last year I used the box that the actual kit comes in, and I put some fabric over it, and this is the actual journal. This is just to hold it in, and I made a little pocket on the side to hold a smaller journal. This was for the Come With Me kit. Here I used just a tape that the box comes wrapped in with a heat gun. You can take it off and reuse it. So this is this year's tape and box. Just gonna flip through it really quick. I used quite a lot of fabric last year, but I loved journaling in these stained pages. These are from the Hopeful Bird. I think that's her handle. Some pages are stuck. Some pages are just very simple journaling. So, and then I also journaled in the Bible, and I have another journal that I journaled in, but this was the main journal. So I left this bottom flap on. I'm gonna show you exactly how I made it. So this is how your box comes, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it here, and so I cut this part off, and the top part, the top flap. So like that. So I kept the bottom part, and I cut off the top flap and this side. So there we go. This is kind of the shell that the journal goes in. This is this year's journal, so it fits perfectly in there. And I'm not sure yet if I'm just gonna keep this tape on or if I'm gonna cover it with fabric yet. I'm gonna put something on the back here because this kind of it's flappy, so I'm just gonna reinforce it there, and I might cover it with tape with fabric. I will see, but I just want to show you very quickly how I made my journal. I'm looking forward to share with you the entries, journaling entries this year, and truly I hope you are gonna have a most blessed and most fruitful Lent. God bless. So this is the finished cloth draped card box. The shell for my journal. I did a little arrangement of flowers, the die cuts on the cover. I just arranged them so far, so I'm gonna have to take them off and glue them down. So I'm taking them off carefully. I hope I can put them back in the same order. I want to show you, this is the pocket I made, so I can hold some journaling supplies in there. I left this flap on the bottom, so if it sits vertically, the journal doesn't fall out. And that's it. It's just I can take it out. It's not affixed in the box, but it's it don't look beautiful. Also, I want to stand with you on the cover and walk with God. I would love that. It's a great reminder for this Lent. And these crosses are, I don't know if you noticed yet, they're so versatile. You can actually build a whole pattern with them. That they're really cool. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using those. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use the charm, the journal charm. I'll see how useful it is. I want to take, see, I don't know if you read the descriptions of this charm when you got it. They have a protective film over them, and actually when you take the film off, it's so bright and beautiful. I'm trying to, sometimes it's not that easy to take off. So here is the film that's over, and I want to see how it looks before. And it's so bright. The colors are so bright when you take the film off. You can leave it on. Anyway, I just want to show you how to take this off because it's so bright and pretty. What a big difference. I will be gluing these flowers. This works very well. I've done it before, and the glue held very well. So I didn't have any issues. Make sure you're using permanent glue. I'm gonna put it under this little lace edge I have. I'll be stamping now the word with you. If I won't mess it up. With you. Walk with God. Oh, that didn't stamp very well. Yeah, it's cardboard underneath, so it was a little dip in there. Now when I try to come over it, it's kind of I moved it, didn't place it in the same initial position, so but that's, again, that's fine. It doesn't bother me too much. I would have liked a clear impression, but maybe I'll just try to make another I'll try one more here. See if I can do it. Yay! So I have a good impression there. Yeah, you have to deal with the little mistakes and stuff. Love him. I want to have the word Emmanuel. And I also wanted to have the word desert journey, but I don't know if I want to put that many. Maybe I'm gonna put desert journey on the spine. And desert journey on the spine. I just had to put it on there. Yeah, I like that. So that's it. Let's move the cover. For this year's Lent kit. For this year's Lent journal. It would be nice to have this hanging right from here. Because I left these ties on, you can actually tie it. So I'm just gonna do that. It's pretty easy. And what's left is actually using it and diving in, doing some precious journaling time. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this journal cover. I hope you found it inspiring, and I hope you get a chance to work along through this Lent and just spend some so much needed time in the Word. Thank you, and God bless.